Yeah, guys, morning. Good morning, guys. Guys, Friday, 29 November. Me go Granville. You understand me? I did. Me go pay the money for me little youth. So, as me reach a Granville and push the door downstairs, the courthouse, push the door, you see a policeman. The policeman turn to me and say, "You have court at Granville?" Me say, "Yes." Me say, "Me and my ex." And me and the man start reason. And I tell him man why me have court at Granville. Me have a court at St. Davis. You understand me? I deal with the policeman them. Because me used to do security work and some fighting that go on. You understand me? I did. And me was the security. So that's why me have a court in St. Davis. Guys, and the policeman them a reason. And me I show the policeman them when me I got a court for man they can't believe. Bang belly goat, bag your face when you come up with a suck a little money out of me and now you want to suck a little blood. The police then can't believe. When me and the police then did their reason. Me say, officer, oh me get summons, viewers and subscribers more to believe this. And I see them when me tell the police them sing and they say police then can't believe. You understand what I did? Me say, officer, before the picnic even catch 3 months old and them time me I pay money in a courthouse. You understand me? I did, and me and them a reason. So me turn to the policeman and say, "What is a bang belly goat?" You understand me? I did. First thing, bang belly goat is not a bad word. Fish where you all fucking dunks these people be my youth. You understand me? I did. So me ask the policeman, "What is a bang belly goat?" The policeman sit down and look. Me say, if you tell somebody bag them face and them a come a quote, what is that? He can't answer. Me say, you suck a little money out of me, I know you want to suck a little blood. And you send me explain and tell the policeman just sit down and a look. When me say you fi bag your face, people look. Look what they have me a quote for. Bag your face when you come a quote. Suck a little money out of me, and know you want to suck a little blood. People, bang belly goat. Watch. Look when me turn to the policeman and say, they say, "Officer, watch out. I'm going to show you something. You have a Jamaican girl. Viewers and subscribers want to believe this too. You have a Jamaican girl was in Grenada. You have only a 12-year-old girl. I see him where me talk and they know say I no lie me I tell. You understand me I did? And me can call the girl name, me sure know. Me put it on social media already. In there with a boy from country. And I show you fuck up these people be. Them have been there with a boy from country. You understand me? They get pregnant for the youth. And two, he having little daughter and the daughter have to stay there. You understand me? I did. The little girl get big. 12-year-old, you know. You know what the youth do? Girl call me and tell me that. You know what the youth do? The Jamaican girl call me and tell me. There with the girl daughter in front of she. You understand me? I did. And the same girl we have me in a court about bang belly court. People. The girl go to she and tell him, I ask the police them, I see him as though me I tell them up on this on social media, I see him when me say to the police them what they are. The girl go to she and tell her, say, the boy, Ray, and you hear what she tell him? You know, make sense in Ghana station car they will deport him. I see him friggin' weird. People downstairs in the courthouse, I see him weird. Me tell the police them and the woman, guys, hold on. Me sure know the people them in the courthouse downstairs, them here while gone. You understand me, Adi? Because the woman who collect the money, the child maintenance, she here while gone. You understand me, Adi? Me turn to the police now and me say, "Officer, right when me I pay the money for me little youth, me say, "Officer, if you get a summons, say you owe over $2,000, $2,500. Remember, I know me I pay child maintenance, so me pick them say 2 months old. You understand me, I did? And if me no pay no money and a girl get a lawyer fi do certain things, then I fi go in at the courthouse downstairs, you go check the file, fi see how much money me owe, not true. Then Oh, me get paper. And the woman sit down there listening, you know. Oh, me get someone say me owe over $2,000. And when he come, when me come a court, when the man even come on me yard, guys, the policeman will come. I go tell you something. You see, first thing when the fucking man do when he come on me yard, I ask him about if Pinnock in Grenada. You see, if Pinnock never in a Grenada, guys, a barrage, a police would have come down for me. You hear me tell you, because they don't like fucking Jamaican people. A barrage, a police would have come down for me, yo. Remember that. You understand me? And when the man asked me if Pinnock there, I say, yes, Pinnock there. You tell me, boy, have summons. You understand me? The people say, me got court, they even lock me up. But guess what now? I'm going to show you something. You see, Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, when me da Granville, when me and the police them a reason. Me and one eye police out to do a reason now, and me a show him man what I go on. The man say, what? Oh, this reaching a court. Which policeman have a case? Me say, exactly. Which policeman have a case? Me say, officer, me go show you what I go on. Then send bailiff. You say, me say, bailiff. The man say, which bailiff? Which one I bailiff police come on your yard? Policeman that said that, you know. You understand me? I did. The man that say, which one I bailiff police come on your yard? And I start describing, man. The man say, hey, I don't know, police. People, me text me lawyer one time. Because watch out now, I'm going to show you something. You see, he set a police them when me and them in the Granville Friday a reason. Me and them in a court at St. Davis. You understand me? I did. I was a security. I'm man in the fight and broke up man, and that's the reason why I'm in a court at St. Davis. And people, check your level now. You have me in a court about bang belly goat. Yeah, when me turn to the policeman and say, you know, you have me in a court about bang belly goat. So what about the Jamaican girl with the Grenadian boy? They within that and he come, the girl go to that the girl and I tell that my ex, he go to my ex and I tell him and he tell the girl say, you know, make sense in Ghana station card then with the port sheet. Why they not put that in a fucking court? You don't have me in a court about bang belly goat, bag your face when you come a court, you suck a little money out of me and you want to suck a little blood. Yeah, when I policeman, oh, that can be insult. Me say, that is not a bad word. That is not a bad word. So if somebody call a big black hag is a bad word, you sit down and I look, fish where you all fucking down some of these people be yo. You see when me turn to him and say, oh, them have me in a court for bang belly goat. Because me know them feel away. That I see in police them when me and them have the court at St. Davis. Oh, them have me in a court about bang belly goat. And the boy with there with the girl 12-year-old daughter, uno no have him in a court. The fuck of them pause. All the woman we in there. People, remember me tell you no, I fraud them. And I put them on social media. 12 of December, I go back to court 2024. These people are fraud in Granville Courthouse. So don't be careful. These people are fraud. You hear me tell you no? You know what them try to do right now? I try run fucking racket. A racket them I try run, you know. Because you send someone's come give me. Say me owe over $2,000. Oh, the bailiff police could have get summons, say me owe $2,000. If the man no come down, they come check the record. I want no plan for them. Me know no like Jamaican, and me worse than no blood clot like you know. And me know me not name no labor. You understand me? You see, first thing when me come here, you wanna say, you know want me come here come better than nobody. So now I try it all fucking different way. But I will tell you now, you see, 12 of December when me come, you can plan for now and watch. Bang belly goat. When you see that video, yeah. And Kia go show ass mouth. Yeah, because I don't like fucking people. What Jamaican people do, no? You don't have me in a court about bang belly goat. When the youth in fuck off a girl 12-year-old pitney, why you never tell him he can't go to court? As a fucking Grenadian, why you never tell him he can't go to court? No, but bang belly goat, you run can't in a court, not you. You're hungry, no blood clot. And I'm making hungry. Alright, guys, I'm out, guys. The 12th of December, I'll go back to court, guys. 2024. People, these people don't like we. I mean, I will long my mouth go and talk. These people do not like we. How the fuck you gonna have me in a court about bang belly goat? Eh? And he girl having 12-year-old daughter with there with the Grenadian boy and the boy fuck off liquor pitney. Why uno no can't go court? Why uno no put in a court? I wanna try run rackets. Remember this, the policeman that women that speak with Friday. Yeah, what them tell me, the fucking man will come on me, boy, my bailiff. Him is not a bailiff. I will make sure I text the lawyer and tell him every fucking thing. So when me come a court, the 12th of December, I want to make sure I plan for now, because I don't plan on me, I plan on. A wicked set of pussy clad people, You know God, and never I go know blood clot God. Remember me tell you that, wicked. You go down, you go. All I want going in a Granville courthouse, I don't be a fucking wickedness. I be a wickedness, be a bandolo thing on deal with in a Granville courthouse. I mean, I hold my mouth, I go and talk. Guys, I'm out.